Namaskar. This is how we say hi in proper North Karnataka style. Hello guys, this is Dev Vasudev. In this video, we will discuss about MPLS. Why MPLS? Why we always go back to MPLS as the preferred protocol? What are the services that MPLS has to offer? Okay, we will discuss the services offered by MPLS, for example, layer 3 and layer 2 VPN. Okay, now we will study the topology, what we are going to consider. Okay, this is our topology. Please go through it time and again because this is the topology we are going to refer in our future videos. Okay, as you can see, I have the core network starting from R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. Okay, this is my core routers, and R1 and R5 being a provider edge routers. Here, as you can see, I have two customers. One is VRL Travels and another is SRS Travels. They have the two major sites. One is at Bangalore and another is at Vijapur office. Now, if you have to see, if you would have seen, they are using the same CIDR block. For example, 172.16/16 at Bangalore office and 192.168 at Vijapur office. Okay, these two customers are attached to R1 at Bangalore office and the same at Vijapur office to R5. Okay, these are the provider edge routers and the customers are going to attach to these edge routers. Now we will, hope you have seen, I have enabled IPv4, OSPF, multi-protocol BGP and MPLS. Initially, we are going to see what is layer 3 VPN and then we will bring layer 2 VPN into picture using the same infrastructure. Now, let's say we have, as we know that we have two customers here. Okay, there are two major sites, one at Bangalore and one at Vijapur, and they have hired me being a service provider. They use the same service block. Okay, and now if the person wants to talk from Bangalore office to of the VRL to the VRL office at the Vijapur house, what is that I'm going to facilitate? I'm going to facilitate the routing, switching, and forwarding. For example, if the employee at SRS Travels wants to retrieve some of the files from the server located at Vijapur office, so how he is going to achieve that? It is not up to him, it is up to me being a service provider. What I am going to facilitate, I am going to facilitate routing, switching, and forwarding. How? By enabling number of layer 3 protocols. For example, here the reachability I'm going to get from OSPF. On top of that, I'm going to enable MPBGP, which is again going to fall back on OSPF intelligence, and MPLS. MPLS is also getting the intelligence from our OSPF guy. Okay, what is that extensions OSPF will have? How we are going to make OSPF little bit intelligent in terms of the bandwidth extensions where we are going to give the little bit capability to OSPF. Okay, using which MPLS will decide how we are going to route the traffic. Okay, and what are the extensions we are going to enable for BGP. Okay, we will see all these things in the coming video. And using layer 3 VPN, we remember that using layer 3 VPN, we are keeping routing separate per customer, meaning the blocks are same at the Bangalore site, as you can see, but P router will make sure the routing to the proper site will be appropriate, is as appropriate site. If you observe service provider network, they are carrying a lot of traffic. In this example, the core of the service provider carries traffic from VRL Travels as well as SRS Travels. And the beauty is that every customer think that they have their own private network, which is true. No dedicated resource needed for every customers, reducing operational expenses. We from the service provider point of view, just have to emulate few logical networks, or we have to virtualize our networks. Also remember, MPLS is highly scalable. For example, today we have two customers. Tomorrow it might so happen that I'm going to get 10 more customers. I need to just take care about the network connectivity from their corporate office to my provider edge. For example, R1 here. I am going to take care about only that part. Nothing at the core will change. That is the beauty of MPLS. We will discuss more of these kind of scenarios in coming video. I'm glad to have you introduced to most loved topic called MPLS, and I thank you for viewing. Take care, guys.